Hi there, welcome back to our Phone Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Nurture.ai, which is basically a platform where you can, as the name suggests, nurture your customer intelligently. So basically, they offer a lot of services like text messages or voicemails, stuff like this, like, to make sure that your customers are taken care of all the way through the, customer journey, basically. So we can see immediately the headline is very clear and the sub headline clearly explains what they do, stating that this platform allows you to nurture leads into scheduled calls, that ensures a quality customer journey and a lead return for marketers. Then we can scroll down and state and see the actual credibility that they've got. They have sent more than 450 plus thousand AI text message conversations and more since 2017. Here they go more in depth about all the services that they offer, like text messages, human calls, AI voicemails, AI chats, QR codes, and things like this, right? Which is really helpful if you're interested in these types of services. Um, this is it. This is quite a short homepage, to be honest. Um, it's not great because it doesn't really have much social proof of credibility. I was expecting to see some testimonials or reviews to increase the credibility, but I can't see any, unfortunately. Also, frequently asked questions they could have added or a contact form on the homepage. If we go to the pricing page, you can see at least the pricing is good. It's quite clear. It clearly states what you get for each price range and all the features that are available in that tier with the comparison table. But other than that, that is it. If we click on start now, this is the contact form. This is a good contact form. It doesn't ask too many fields, which is good. But I guess it's not it's not that full, unfortunately. So they should add something more to increase their credibility. Other than that, I hope you guys like this. And if you're a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye.